Turbo CR calculus scaling foam assists in rapid calculus removal by softening and loosening calculus. Attach the mixing tip applicator to the 50 ml cartridge. Insert the dual barrel cartridge into a compatible 50 ml 1-to-1 dispenser gun. Dispense Turbo CR fully into a single arch foam fluoride tray or in sections of the mouth as needed. Turbo CR will increase in volume as it foams. Immediately seat the tray onto the patient's upper or lower arch. Allow time for the foaming action of Turbo CR to work. A brief time is required to allow the foam to penetrate the calculus tooth interface. A good rule of thumb is to start scaling about 1 minute after application. Proceed with your normal scaling instruments. No special instrumentation is needed.